my lip kit shade in the shade Sexy. And just line my cupid bow. And again, I have perfect full lips. And these lip liners glide onto my lips so smoothly. As you can see, like, I don't have any rough spots or patches. And it just makes my lips look so sexy. Then I'm gonna take the pairing liquid lipstick, and this is with one dip, and I'm just going to pucker my lips. And the thing I love about Sexy is just really that down to earth, like nighttime, even daytime lipstick. Making sure I get all the lines in my lips. And you see I don't have any lip bleeding because I used the lip liner first. And then I put the liquid matte lipstick on top. And this is in the shade Sexy. I just love it.